Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is going to be part 2 of me working on this 2017 Chevrolet Silverado. I noticed on my previous video, guys, that I didn't really explain what I'm going to do, what I'm going to be working on the truck. So I'm going to, in brief details, I'm going to kind of explain to y'all what all my plans are for it. So I bought this truck at the auction. I bought it through online auction. So when I seen the truck, it was lifted. It was really nice lifted. It had like a powder coat lift on it, like a 7-inch lift, and it has some American forces on it. That's what I seen on the picture. So I went ahead and purchased it. Once I bought it, guys, once it got to the shop, I realized that everything had been taken off. Like the suspension had been taken off and the rims. So once I took a closer look at it, I realized that like they kind of just stuck all the stock parts back on it, and then just left it as is. So what I'm gonna be doing on the truck is fixing the suspension on it. I might go like a 3-inch to like 7-inch lift. I'm still not sure what all I'm gonna do to it, but I know that I'm gonna do some suspension work to it. I'm gonna probably put some rims on it as well. I'm not sure yet. Probably some 22s, like on 35s. I'm still trying to see what will look good on the truck, guys. But if you have any suggestions, guys, on what type of rims, what type of tires I should put on it, let me know in the comments below, and I'll sure like your feedback on it. Also, as I said on the first video, I am changing the interior on it. So this is what this video is going to be about, me putting a new interior on it. As you can see, you probably already seen the color of the dash, so that kind of gives you an idea. But stay tuned, guys. We're gonna put the door panels, put the interior, the brand new interior, and let me know what y'all think about it. And here we go, guys. So I'm gonna be giving you a walk around, so come with me so I can show you. So the truck is complete, guys. Like, I probably won't need any body work. I won't need anything major done to the body of the truck. The only thing that I will have to buy is a front bumper. Like I said on my first video, I got everything else. I'm just missing the front bumper. So as you can see, guys, the suspension, the tow hitch, it was powder coated, and they did a really good job on it. Like the leaf springs, the tow hitch, and other suspension parts were powder coated. But I'm gonna be removing all of that off and putting it back to stock in a black color the way it came. And I'm gonna be also working on trying to figure out what else they took off, because I haven't really looked at it really good. But from moving the truck from back and forth, I realized that it was missing a lot of screws, and it was missing like a couple of components. So I'm gonna have to be looking at all the stuff from the suspension, make sure it's rideable again. And yeah, let's keep going. So what I noticed, guys, is that I do have a hit right here in the fender. It's a small hit, but I'll be able to just put some Bondo on it, kind of pull it out, put some Bondo on it, and get just this fender painted, as well as the front bumper once I find it. If I do find it in white, I won't have to paint it. But if I don't find it in white, I'll just have to get it painted, guys. But that's pretty much it for the front end. And then basically the interior, as you can see, the airbags popped. The driver airbag popped as well, but I already replaced that. I already replaced the roof airbags as well. And now that what I'm gonna do is just put in the new interior, put the new door panels, put all the trim back together, and then we're gonna keep showing what else as we keep going forward, guys. So stay tuned. So after putting the headliner already, what we're gonna be working on now is putting these door panels. These are gonna match our interior. Kind of gives you an idea of what type of interior I'm gonna put on there. But these are like a dark brown, and these are all black. So we're gonna be changing these out and putting these in all 4 door panels, guys. So So that's gonna be it for the door panels. Man, they are a little bit dusty here and there, but overall they look really, really good for being from the junkyard. They don't really take care of their stuff. They actually came out pretty good. All 4 of the door panels are already mounted. So now we're gonna move on to the interior, set up all the interior, and let's take a look at it, guys. Finally finished all the interior, the back seats, the front seats, the center console, the door panels, and I also was able to put the front piece to the dash. Now what I'm gonna do is just clean it up a little bit and show you the final result. Alright guys, so that's gonna be it for the video, guys. We managed to put all the interior on there and we're basically done with that. Now we're gonna move on to something else. Stay tuned for part 3 of this video. I really like how the interior came out. Let me know down in the comments below what you think. So please like, subscribe to the video if you like what you've seen, guys, and see you on the next one.